OxyContin, I don't know what to tell you, but I feel right without you. But if I could stick it out for 3 more days, I'll be back on the wagon, riding away from a dark place. Well, I've been drinking real hard for 10+ years, taking all kinds of drugs through tears and fears. I took a 3-year hiatus for jail and probation, then right back on the sauce, trying to feel the vibrations. Good times have come, good times have gone. Staked up the memories while you're singing along. It's high time I figure out exactly why I'm writing this song. Cocaine, OxyContin, I don't know what to tell you, but I feel right without you. If I could stick it out for 3 more days, I'll be back on the wagon, riding away from a dark place. Something deep down inside of my soul hurts like addictions when it's out of control. Tip back the bottle, drown out the demons I hide. You can get looped out and so far gone, wander through the dark just trucking along. The morning comes around, you're still singing that same old song. I've been up for too long, I died for twice the same. Blackout drunk, I barely know my name. Lord Almighty, won't you help me from going insane? Wade through the dark to find the light. I'm down on my knees in the middle of the night, Lord. Don't let it take your life. Cocaine, OxyContin, I don't know what to tell you, but I feel right about you. If I could stick it out for 3 more days, I'll be back on the wagon, riding away from a dark place.